Hey, this is Stan Weideman, the Rebel Success Coach and founder of Success Rebel. Welcome to Success Rebel's Daily Purpose, episode number 6. Today's topic is performance. Now, you see, I think so many people try and overestimate what they can do, and if they haven't done any physical training or haven't been healthy for a while, they try and absolutely overwhelm themselves by completely trying to transform their lives in like 2 days. You see, we live in an instant gratification society where we want everything now, immediately. But unfortunately, when it comes to anything that you want to be successful in life, that could be weight loss, fitness, business, relationships, anything like that, it takes time. So what I would recommend is for you with performance, we're looking at the physical aspect of everything. I would recommend if you're currently not training that you should start with something small. Start by maybe adding 1 or 2 days a week of training, something that's not too rigorous or too hectic for you. Slowly but surely you start progressing from there. Maybe increase your water intake slowly but surely. You see, so many of us are looking for the fancy things instead of just doing the basics first. Once you have the basics down and everything is in place with the basics and things are not working then, or maybe you're not going in the right direction, then and only then I would start taking some drastic measures and changing the type of program that you're currently using, maybe making it more intense or adding more weight or anything like that. But you see, 99% of the people that I work with on a daily basis do not even do the basics properly. They're looking for some fancy diet or some fancy magic pill. Unfortunately, those things do not exist, and the people that are selling you that is talking a lot of crap because unfortunately it's not the truth. You see, you need to put in the work, and that's why the second part of the Success Rebel formula is actually challenge, and performance is the first ingredient, part of the challenge section of the Success Rebel formula. So yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you today. I just wanted to make it short and sweet that, performance is very important. If you're feeling lazy and you're feeling down and lethargic and anything like that, I promise you, you're not going to be able to perform at your best. So you need to increase your performance. You need to be healthy, but I'm not telling you that a six-pack is important. I'm saying to you that do the basics first, be consistent with that, and everything else will start falling into place. Remember to go to successrebel.com if you haven't downloaded the Success Rebel formula. This is actually what I'm discussing here. This is ingredient 1 of this challenge part of the equation. So yeah, just go to successrebel.com, and it'll be awesome if you can join our newsletter where I will send out daily, reminders of these daily purposes so that you can get them straight to your inbox, and just make sure that you're actually watching all this valuable content. As always, I would love to hear your comments below, or send me an email to rebel@successrebel.com and tell me what you want me to discuss for you, and tell me how you've actually started increasing the performance in your own life. This is Stan Weideman signing off, and I want to thank you once again for watching this Daily Purpose.